Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card using the Birthday Bonanza Suite. This card and two other cards are available in my card class featuring the Bonanza Birthday Suite. It includes the Bonanza Buddies stamp set and the Bonanza dies, as well as supplies to make 6 cards. And this is one of the cards. Here are the other two. There's a toucan card and a koala bear card. If you're interested, please check out more information on my website, elanescreations.net. I have everything ready to go to send to you, so just contact me at elaine@estampin.com and I will get right back to you. So this is the Bonanza Buddies Designer Series paper, and what's really fun about it is the dies coordinate so that you can cut out the toucan or the koala or the lion. Really fun. But for this card I'm going to use the other side. Sorry, toucan. Then I'm going to add some dimensionals. I'm getting down to the end of my dimensionals here, but I use the edges too, as you can see. Definitely use all of it. Okay, and then we'll do one for the lion head. And then for the balloons, I'll just go ahead and use mini dimensionals. And then this I'm going to stamp with the balloons strings. So let me get this guy kind of lined up here so I can see where I'm going to stamp. So probably about here. And now I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday in Bermuda Bay. And then I'll attach the lion to the card. And then the lion head goes on top. And then the little tail, the end of the tail, also gets cut out with the main die. So I'm just going to put the tail on there. And then we'll add the balloons. We'll do the Coastal Cabana balloon first. We'll tuck that down here. Then we'll do the Calypso Coral. These are also cut out with the dies. And then the Daffodil Delight. Now put some dimensionals on here. I'm gonna save those edge pieces for something else. Grab another set of dimensionals. Okay. So now I can place this Coastal Cabana piece down. This is a stitched rectangle die, scalloped stitched rectangle die, I should say. And it is part of the So Sweetly Stitched dies, which are my favorite, which I keep saying, but I love them. And I'm so glad that they are going to be in the new catalog. They're not retiring, but the Bonanza Suite is retiring. Everything except for the ribbon. The ribbon is going to stay, which is fun because I really like that ribbon and I've used it a lot. So add our little lion here. And we have our lion birthday card. So again, I'm offering a class. Go to my website, elanescreations.net, to find out more information and check out my channel, subscribe to my channel, and please check out my card. from the Birthday Bonanza Suite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.